Hi, I'm Kit Cassingham with Live in Focused Energy. It's interesting to me where I see and hear people talking about knowing your why. Brené Brown was talking about it in a podcast recently. I was in a mastermind meeting the other day, and one of the other participants started talking about it. It's one of my passions and has been for 5 or 6 years now, because I've come to realize that, especially in business, we've approached, and I learned this from Simon Sinek. There are others who teach that, but Simon's who I learned it from. When we start with what in our explanations of what our business gives or what we do or give, we're giving facts, colors, makes, models, statistics, nothing sexy or interesting. Facts, important, but not the leading bit of information. Sometimes we succeed in getting to the how, which might be the benefits that some people try to sell with or do sell with. But when you know your why, you get to, that's the sexy part, you get to the real reason people want to become your customer, your friend, your associate, whatever it is you are promoting. But even outside of business, the reason I think knowing your why is so important, so valuable, is I believe that is your passion in life. And I think it becomes the foundation, the why becomes the foundation for the passion, to support the passion for all that it can give you in life. Why is not the what. People often confuse it. You have one why in life. You have one foundation. You are one person from one source of experiences as you formed as a human and as an adult, or whatever age you are as you watch this. You can have any number of hows or whats, and the why helps support the how you do those things and the what you're providing. I love it when people embrace their why. They're embracing who they are. And that lets them have more of that showing and shining. We all need a vision to drive us forward. But a vision without passion is just a dream. And our passion without a why is shallower, more hollow, less vibrant and real. I hope you're starting to see why I think knowing your why is so important. You can follow me on my website, my blog, to read more thoughts and subjects like this. I've written an article, several articles about knowing your why. The most recent article will be linked at the bottom in the comments here. If you're watching this anywhere other than my website, liveinfocusedenergy.com, go there, leave a comment, read the other articles. Sign up for the newsletter if you like what you read. I'm Kit Cassingham. I'll talk to you next time.